Good day, viewers. You are welcome to this edition of our YouTube channel. And today we are going to look at a very vital topic in the mathematics scheme of work. And that topic is number base involving linear equations. Right here, we have some couple of questions you can see for yourself clearly. We have some couple of questions here. I'm going to show you how this is often solved. So we'll go straight and resolve question number one. For question number one, it says if 2, 3 base n equal to 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2, find the value of n. It is very simple. What you simply do is, let me come right here and rewrite it. So let's go. The very first thing you need to do is to come here, open a bracket, of which I believe it's not difficult to open a bracket. What is the first digit you have in? Is 2. I'm going to write the 2 right here. Clearly, what is your base? Your base is n. I'm going to write the n. You can see for yourself. Next, I'm going to close this bracket. I'm going to close the bracket. Okay. Now, if I should close these 2, how many digits do you see left here? Just only these 3, only 1 digit. So you say to n raised to the power of 1. Can you see? Plus, I'll put another bracket again. What is the next digit? 3. I'm going to write the 3 right here. Multiply by, what is my base? My base is n. N. If I should close this n, if I should close this 3, this digit I'm currently working with, if I should close it, you can find out that you will not see any other thing here again. There's nothing here. So you say 0. There's nothing left there. Equal to, we are coming to this side now. It becomes, open a bracket, 1 multiplied by, what is your base? Your base is 2, so I'm going to write it 2. If I should close this first digit, remember I'm currently working on this digit. If I should close this digit, what I have left, if I should close it, I have 1, 2, 3. So I'll come here, raise to the power of 3. I'll close it again. I'll open another bracket. I'm coming to this digit. Here becomes 1 multiplied by, what is my base? My base is 2. See the number I'm currently working on. If I should close this number here, you can see I only have 1, 2. Only 2 digits left. We go again. I'll put another bracket. We are coming to this third number. Here become 1 multiplied by, what is your base again? Your base is 2. If I should close this side, you can see it's only this digit that is left. We'll call it 1. It's only 1 digit that is left. Plus, I'll put another bracket. This is the last digit we're having. Here become 1 multiplied by, what is your base? My base is 2. I'll write it 2. If I should close this last digit I'm currently working on, look at the last digit here. You can see for yourself. If I should close it, you'll find out that you have no other digit again. So therefore, I will say 0. At the end of the day, you will come by here and say, we open the bracket. Here becomes 2 multiplied by, now n raised to the power of 1 will also give me n plus, we are coming to this bracket now. Here becomes 3 multiplied by, anything raised to the power of 0 in mathematics is 1. So I'll come here already 1 equal to, we are coming to this side now. We are coming right here. Here becomes 1 multiplied by, 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. It means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 will multiply itself in 3 places. So here will be 8 plus, we are coming to this bracket now. Here becomes 2 raised to the power of 2. It means 2 times 2. It will give us 4 plus, we are coming right here. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1 will give us 2 plus, what am I having here? 1 multiplied by, now in mathematics, like I earlier said, anything raised to the power of 0 is always 1. So look at this place. 2 raised to the power of 0 will give us what? 1. So I'm going to place the 1 here. At the end of the day, I'm going to simplify further. It becomes 2 multiplied by n will give us 2n. You can see the way I'm clearly doing it. Plus 3 multiplied by 1 will give us 3 equal to 1 multiplied by 8 will give us 8 plus 1 multiplied by 4 will give us 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 will give us what? 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1. At the end of the day, I will simplify further. Here become a plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. A plus 4 will give me 12. 12 plus 2 is going to give me 14. 14 plus 1 will give me 15. Here becomes 15. And this place becomes 2n plus 3. Now, at the end of the day, I'm going to collect like terms, CLT. I'm going to collect like terms. If I'm to collect like terms, the numbers, you can see this number have no variable. This one have no variable, but this one has. You know, in English language, those things you call alphabet. In mathematics, we call it variable. So, let's come right here and check it out. This has a variable, but this one does not. So you collect like things. Let this plus 3 go to the other side. It becomes 15. If plus 3 is coming here, it becomes minus 3. So it becomes 2n equal to 15 minus 3. So 15 minus 3 will give us 12. And here becomes 2n. Now you are going to divide both sides using the coefficient of n, which is 2. So it becomes, I'll move it right here. It becomes 2n equal to 12. So you are dividing both sides using 2. So 2, we cancel 2. You are going to have n equal to, if 2 should go into 12, we are going to have what? 6. And this is the solution to question number 1. For question 2, you can see it right here. Now, I'm being asked to do this. 3 4 base 5 equal to 2 3 base x. I should find the value of x for question number 2. This is how I'm going to solve it. Again, I'm going to come right here, open a bracket. What is the first digit I'm having? Is 3. I'm going to write out 3. Multiply by, what is my base here? My base here is 5. If I should close this first digit I'm currently working on, if I should close this digit here, what do I have left? I have only one digit left. So you say to raise to the power of 1. Plus, I open another bracket again. What am I having here? This is 4. Multiply by, what is my base currently? My base is 5. If I should close this digit I'm currently working on, you can see this is digit we are currently working on. There's no more number for us. So you say 0. There's no digit left. You say raise to the power of 0 equal to, we are coming right here. We open the bracket and here becomes 2. Multiply by, what is my base? X. Then if I should close this first digit I'm currently working on, which is this 2, what do I have left? I have only one digit left. So you say raise to the power of 1 plus, I open another bracket again. Can you see this 3? Here becomes 3 multiplied by my base, which is x. If I should close this 3, this digit I'm currently working on, there's no more digit for us, so you say 0. Raise to the power of 0. Now there's something I want you to take note of if you're a student. The way some students often write their multiplication sign, when it comes to this topic, you have to be very careful. Some will write their x this way and also write their multiplication sign this way. We have seen a lot. As a teacher, I cannot tell the one that is the x and the one that is the multiplication sign. So when you are writing this topic, you have to be very careful. You can use, at least when you want to write your x, ensure you use a small letter, so it won't look as if you are writing multiplication sign. It is very vital. So we'll go further and simplify and open the bracket. Here becomes 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1 will give us 5. Plus, we are coming to this bracket. Here becomes 4 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1 in mathematics, so we say 1. We are coming right here. Here becomes 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 will also give us what? X. Plus, we are coming to this side. Here becomes, we are coming to this side. Here becomes 3 multiplied by anything raised to the power of 0, like I earlier said, is what? 1. So x raised to the power of 0 will give us 1. At the end of the day, this is what we are having. Can you see for yourself? This is what we have right here. So 3 times 5 will give me 15. Plus 4 times 1 will give me 4. 2 times x will give me 2x. Plus 3 times 1 will give me 3. At the end of the day, I'm simply going to collect my like terms. This becomes CLT, I will say 15 plus 4. This plus 3 will come to the left hand side and it becomes minus 3 when you are collecting your items, and here becomes 2x. At the end of the day, what you simply need to do, add up here. 15 plus 4 will give me 19. And if you subtract 3 from 19, you will simply be left with 16. So here becomes 16. And here becomes 2x. At the end of the day, you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So let me bring it right here. I divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. And my answer becomes 16 divided by 2 equal to 2x divided by 2. If 2 should go into 16, I'm going to have 8. If 2 should cancel here, I'm going to have x. So my final answer is x. My final answer is x equal to 8. And this is the solution to question number 2. Now for question 3, let's go straight and resolve. This is question 3. So the very first thing I'm going to do for question 3, now this is for question 3. The very first thing I'm simply going to do is to rewrite the question. Okay, we'll go straight and start solving. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open my brackets for question number 3. What is the first digit I have here? This is 1. Multiplied by my base, which is x. If I should close this digit I'm currently working on, I have only one digit left, which is just 1. Plus, I open another bracket. What am I having here? I'm having 3. Multiplied by my base, which is x. Now, if I should close this 3 I'm currently working on, you can see I have no digit left, so I will say 0 raised to the power of 0 equal to 12. Now, there's something I want to make clear to you, like I earlier stated before we started resolving questions. I said, whenever you are having questions without base, you should know that that question is in base 10. And whenever it is in base 10, you don't touch it. It means they have already solved this one for you. Whenever it is in base 10, there's no need for you to touch it. So you will go straight and only simplify here, before you move on. So let's go straight. Here become 1 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 will give me what? X plus. Here becomes 3 times anything raised to the power of 0 is what? 1 in mathematics. Here becomes 1 equal to 12. Can you see for yourself? Now 1 multiplied by x will give me 1x. And in mathematics, whenever you are having 1x, you write only x. So we'll come here and say x plus 3 multiplied by 1 will give me what? 3 equal to this 12 right here. At the end of the day, I'm going to collect like terms CLT, and that will be 12. This plus 3 will go to the right hand side. It becomes a negative 3. At the end of the day, your final answer becomes x equal to 9. And this is the solution to question number 3. Now, I would like you to dissolve question number 4, dissolve question number 5, and place your answer in the comment section below. Thank you.